Today we're working on a 2001 Subaru Forester. Customer of ours broke well, he didn't break it. Somebody broke his door glass and didn't steal nothing out of his car. So he asked us how to replace the window. We were like, you know what, we'll just change it for you and make a video. So I've never done one of these older cars, so if it's anything like everything else, it should be pretty easy. So let's see how it goes. From the looks of it, we got one little guy here that comes out. Just screw here. It's a Phillips screw. Let me see, get this thing out of here. It's like that. And there's one in the door pocket right here. That's a big one. That comes out. This comes out. I don't think there's anything else in here. Well, I take that back. It looks like two little screws that go into here. I don't know if these need to come out yet or not, but they look like they're in the door, so those are coming out too. Take that out. There's another screw here. Jesus, how many screws does this thing have? I wonder if there's one right here. There's a pocket right here. Wow, that's a lot of screws. There it goes. Yeah, if it's not coming out, don't force it. But this guy right here too. Man, what was Subaru doing back in the days? They put screws everywhere. New cars is like 3 screws. Voila. Unplug it right here. Gotta peel this thing. Take this guy out of the way because I gotta clean the glass out too. We'll put this back. I'll put that to the side. I'm gonna take the switch off here so I can show you so you get a better visual. So panel's not in the way. Plug this guy in. I'll tell you guys why I'm plugging this in. Is I guess these bolts that somehow this is just the leftover. This is the glass it was on. It's got these tracks that go up and down into it. There's one on that side and there's one on this side. There to get to. So let's bring this thing down. See if I can reach it. Yes, I'll have to show you guys once I get it out. There's two 10s, and then yeah, so I'm gonna get this out of here. That was pretty easy. This glass is obviously broken. There's one 10 here and one 10 here. This thing slides into the track right here. This thing just sits into the track this way. So going back in, make sure that that goes into the track, and pretty simple. Doesn't have a door frame. From what I'm seeing is this guide. And this guide. I would say don't mix them up so you know which way it goes. I just need more room to slide the glass in. Oh, snap it. Gotta take the, I'm gonna take the thing out. I'm gonna take this belt molding off. There. Now I can. But wait, there's more. Holy cow. Talk about. These guys put guides and. These guys have more guides. Now there's no reason why this glass shouldn't go in, because everything that's in the way is out. There it goes. What a pain in the ass that was. That was a good sign. It's all downhill from here, Corey. Note to self, put these in first. Might as well put this in too. Okay, so far so smooth. One there, one here. That guy back. That back. That back. That works. Put this felt back up. Pray to God I haven't forgot any bolts. That took a lot out. I put the switch back on, took off for testing. You don't have to take the switch off, but it's easier with the door panel out of the way. So you can see what I'm doing.
Just 3 bolts?
Yeah, 3 bolts holding that. If you plug that back in, or else you ain't gonna have no power. Then over the top, this guy wants to go through. Huh. Why'd this come loose? Oh. What a shitty design. Some of this shit is, well, it's old.
So you gotta put it through the door handle and then over the top.
That's what it wants to do. And then it has a million screws. These big ass ones too. One there. Gonna put the pocket back in too. There's that pocket. one big one down here. Got a cap on that. I got these two tiny ones that go in here, and the yeah, don't lose them. All right, that's all they go down. That's it. You are set to go, man.